cloudy, not a great outdoor plans kind of day, but if you got some indoor stuff to do, today's a good day for that.
Yeah, you can get things decorated in the house.
Yeah, there you go.
I suppose, right? If you happen to have it off, I think a lot of people are going to be at a cubicle looking outside, like, well, actually, it's not that bad in here today.
Right.
I don't mind sitting
Not
in this
missing anything.
6x6
No fear of
little
missing out
room
today.
I'm in.
Well, that might be taking it a little far. But
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, not much FOMO, but a little bit of FOMO.
Right.
Let's start with the radar. We'll take a little tour around the state where the rain is steadiest. Pretty much steady everywhere this morning. But coming down in Portland right now, have some heavier, darker shades of green, a couple of little blips of yellow out there in South Portland and near Two Lights in Cape Elizabeth. As we look north to Lewiston, Auburn, and the Turnpike heading up to Augusta. Here's Gardner, where 295 runs into the Turnpike. Heavy rain for Gardner, heavy rain for Augusta, back through Winthrop here too. On over to Turner, you head up Route 4 from Auburn to Turner. That's a wet drive. Same thing with Livermore and Livermore Falls. Lewiston, Auburn, moderate rain in the city right now. East through Maine, it's the same deal. It's steady pretty much everywhere. Coastline, moderate rain, some heavy rain coming down for Bangor and Brewer and over to Holden too. It's a little lighter for Herman right now, but look what's coming your way from Carmel. Yes, more yellows are on our doorstep. They'll be there in about 10 minutes or so. Temps are in the 40s just about everywhere, and even where it's 30s, Greenville, Millinocket, Holton, and Caribou, that's well above freezing. This is one of these events where frozen precipitation is not a concern, and that's kind of strange for this far into December. I mean, we're getting there now. It should be a lot colder. And it's about to be, by the way. It's about to be a lot colder. After this system passes late tonight, tomorrow will be a transition day from warm air to cold air. By the end of it, you'll start to feel the chill. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and days beyond that, highs only in the 30s. Huge change, pattern change coming our way. Steady rain for the morning drive. Give yourself some extra time, although we don't have to worry about icy spots. That's good. Midday, periods of rain continue. There may be some breaks in the rainfall when it's rain-free, but it's not exactly going to dry out at all. It'll stay mild, though, with highs around 50. No big wind gusts, but a little breeze off the water. Certainly not enough for power outages like we've had in the last couple of storms. And here's your evening commute. At 5 o'clock, it's still raining in a lot of spots. So it's wet for your evening drive home too, and it'll be dark then as well. Finally seeing those last drops out of here late in the evening. I'm actually not concerned though for refreezing or black ice tomorrow morning, so that's some more good news for our Thursday morning commute. Much colder Friday and through the weekend, blocking high to our north, supplying the chill. Highs only in the 30s with two storm chances. One on Saturday with a storm well offshore. The precip won't get to us. We might get a few ocean effect flurries just because of the wind direction out of the northeast, but it will be cold and blustery. And then a second chance Sunday into Monday. Sunday night, a storm in the Ohio Valley will redevelop off the coastline. Right now, though, the track is flat. Stays south of Nova Scotia, south of Newfoundland, and that means it's a little too far south for us to get any precip too. We're going to keep a close eye on these tracks because they're close and they're pretty large storms, and it would be cold enough for frozen precip, but right now they are misses. Small craft advisories today, seas 4 to 6, south winds 10 to 20 knots. No sunshine today, just all rain, highs in the upper 40s. We will get sun back tomorrow, and tomorrow morning we're going to hit 50 degrees, and then those numbers start to back off in the afternoon. Turning blustery, turning cold, Friday through Monday. 4 days in a row with temperatures struggling to hit 40 and likely in the 30s most of the time. And we'll have some periods of sunshine and periods of clouds, might be a flurry here or there, but at the moment, no large storm getting to us. It probably stays to our south a couple of times.
So the best thing about that forecast is that it's warm enough that there's no ice today.